Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the switch function in Power BI DAX. It's one of the best alternatives to, nested ifs, and it makes your formulas shorter, cleaner, and easier to read. Let's get started. So, what does switch do actually? The switch function evaluates an expression against multiple possible values and returns the result you specify. Okay, it's basically like saying if this value is equal to x, then return a. If it is y, then return b. If it is 2 or if it is z, then return c. Got it? Yeah, here it is the syntax. Switch off expression value 1, then result value 2, then result 2, so on, else result 3. Got it? Let's say we have the sales table. One. Okay. We have the sales table with region column and we want to assign region codes for it. Like I have a table with these four columns. Okay. Order ID, customer name, region, and sales amount. How to write the DAX for that if you want to assign the codes for the regions. Region category, I have written this one. Region category is equal to switch off true if sales of region is if region is equal to east, then zone 1, west, then zone 2, north, then zone 3, south means zone 4. If not, it is others. So if the what happens here? If the region is east, then it is region, then it will return region 1, zone 1. If it is west, then 2. If it is a north, then 3. If it is a south, then 4. And if doesn't match any, it returns other. You can look at here. East means zone 1. East zone 1. East is zone 1. Okay, west is zone 2. West is zone 2. You can check for all. Okay, yeah, that's how it is. And yeah, now you got it right. Yeah. Then another real power of switch is that let's say you want to categorize the sales amounts. Okay, normally you would write a messy nested if you know. I'll show you how. Okay, nested if like this. Sales category is equal to if sales of sales amount greater than 5,000 then premium. If sales amount greater than 2,000 then it is a standard else basic. But you know with the switch plus true, it becomes much easier actually. You can look at here. How can we write that one? The category is equal to switch off true when sales amount if greater than 5,000 premium, sales amount greater than 2,000 then standard, basic. Okay, look, if it is greater than 5,000, this is a premium. Greater than 2,000, then where is 2,000? Standard, yeah. Here, this is standard, else it is basic. Understood? Yeah. Few tips when using a switch is that use switch of true for ranges or complex conditions. Okay. And switch is faster and cleaner than multiple nested ifs. And always add a default else result to handle unexpected cases. And this is great for the labels, categories, and dynamic text in reports. Okay. Yeah. And yeah, that's the switch function in Power BI. It's super useful for handling multiple conditions without messy if statements. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Power BI tutorials, okay? And let me know in the comments which DAX functions you would like me to cover next. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.